Guys, I want you to take a really good look at this long giraffe neck stem. Now, if you think this is cool, you're crazy. I'm gonna switch this over to BMX and you're gonna see how dope this bike really looks. First, we're gonna take off all these components on the handlebars just to make it easier for ourselves. All right, I just took off all the components on the handlebars. Only took about like 5 minutes. Next, let's go ahead and take off this long giraffe neck stem. So first, we're gonna fold down the long giraffe neck stem. I believe this one comes with the quill stem adapter already. Let's go ahead and find out. So we're gonna loosen this bolt up top with our Allen wrench. Yep, so it comes with the quill stem adapter. I tried taking it out, but it looks like it's welded into the long giraffe neck stem. This is called a quill stem adapter. This is needed if your bike has a quill. And how do you know if your bike has a quill? Well, if you pull the long giraffe neck stem out and you see this piece right here, this is a quill. Quill stem adapter, quill. Now, if your bike doesn't have one of those, you have a standard bike, you don't need a quill stem adapter. It works perfectly without one. So what we're gonna do is open up our turtleneck stem and we're gonna slide the quill stem adapter right inside. Once you have the quill stem adapter inside the turtleneck stem, all you need to do is slide it into the front fork. Check out how dope it looks already. Next, you're gonna open up your turtleneck stem and you're gonna tighten down this bolt right here. Once you get everything lined up, you're gonna tighten down these pinch bolts on the side. And the last thing you're gonna do is put back on all the components and you'll officially have a folding BMX e-bike. All right guys, just put the turtleneck stem and BMX bars on this bike. I'm not gonna lie, completely transformed the look. All right, what are we saying about the bike now? This joint is freaking sick. This is how the bike should have came.